Hello everyone, how are you today class? I hope you had a great time. So here, are you ready with our lesson today? So I hope you are. So before anything else, we are going to review what we have learned last meeting. So we have learned last meeting all about information and communication technology, right? So class, we all know that according to Zupo 2012, that ICT is related to technologies that facilitate the transfer of information and various types of electronically mediated communication. So in other words, we can communicate with our loved ones, friends, or we can use it in our workplace, in our education. The ICT, what does it bring in our society today? So that's it. And today we are going to tackle on some more things about, as well, the technology, on what is effect on our culture and our social behavior. So let's go. So here, what is our objectives for today? So at the end of the lessons, the students should be able to analyze how information technology influences culture and social behavior. As well, you are going to enumerate the role of netiquette. Okay, so let's go. So class here, what are the influences of information technology in culture and social behavior? So we have here the negative and positive impact. So we all know, and I know that you are so familiar with this. What are the negative impacts of technology in our culture? As you can see, I will be giving you some concrete example class. So let me know if you are one of these. Okay, here. So for example, if we have some family gatherings at home or even just a simple dinner, so before eating our dinner or breakfast, we took some picture first before and then post it in our Instagram or Facebook before eating, right? So will you agree with me that you are guilty as well by doing those? So that's it. So we don't have any social interaction first. So what we did was, we took some photos, took some selfies, and upload. Okay, that is the downturn of negative side, or the downturn or negative side of the information technology in a society. As well as, of course, the positive impact it has bring to us. It created influence on how people's lives have been changed for better, or even for worse. So despite of the fact of the negative impact of technology, but still there are positive ones. So here, because of as what we have told you before, that because of the technology, we can really communicate, and it will really influence us on reaching out for our friends and loved ones all over the world, right? Okay, here. So we need to be, what do you call this one? We need to be mindful with our actions. So here, because technology or information, the technology was made, so as a human, we should be the one to control the technology, not that technology will control us. So the positive aspect of technology is to attain on self-realization and social interaction. Rather than being controlled with the technology, we can also limit in using technology because we are the one who need to control the technology. Alright? So that's it, class. So it should come first with our self-realization that we can control the technology. And other than that, so the way that we can control the technology, we need to have social interaction first. Instead of calling your friends or doing some video call, why not? We can visit our friends, our loved ones, and do some social interaction, right? So, okay, tell me next time if you did those things, okay? Okay, so here we have the influence on our culture, okay? So tell me, who will really watch movies, but before watching the movie first at Netflix, so you will just do some online reviews. If many people will say that it is 100% approved, then you are going to watch the video. If some will not approve or do some good online reviews, you are not going to watch the movies, right? But it was very far different from 1990s. We just watch the movies just randomly. Here, we have also the influence and cultures. We do some web blogging on social media, okay? I know you have some favorite celebrities like me. One of my favorite celebrities, of course, my friend, Mema Intrata. So whatever she posted in her social media site, TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, I really like, share, and share it to my friends in my social media sites, okay? So some of the celebrities what are the influencers? Okay, we were influenced as well because some of them are doing some web blogging. Whatever food they eat, or whatever vacations they have gone, they just post it in the social media, and some of their followers will do it as well and will take some vacation of where they were staying, right? Okay, that's it. So how about the YouTube? Okay, before we are so fun in reading books, as well as we are fun in listening to our instructor or teachers. But today, there are different impact, or there are some changes in our of the things that we have done before and today. We are more likely to watch YouTube than listening to our teacher or than reading books, okay? So we can search more a lot on YouTube in doing some, for example, we want to cook something, so we just go to YouTube and watch the video step by step, okay? So that's the impact of, or the influence of YouTube in our culture. And I hope class, that this impact would not donate a negative one, okay? So let it be that YouTube, you search some areas or some topics on YouTube that is very helpful to your critical thinking skills, okay? Okay, class, will you agree with me? Okay, so other than that, what else? So we need to use YouTube in many ways. Let's not use YouTube in bad things, okay? So that's it, guys. Okay, let's go. So what are the influences on social behavior? So this is very evident, and it is very hard breaking that some experience cyberbullying. But the good thing about it is that because of cyberbullying, so the Philippines come up with a law to prevent from cyberbullying, right? So that's it. So there is a law that will really chase those offenders of the cyber. They are called as a cyber crime. So cyber crime police or something like that. So other than that, class as well. So that is here. So we have, this is called identified as several laws, right? So I mean that is not cyber crime police, but cyber crime prevention. I stand to be corrected. So it is also known as our RA 10175 to help catch cyber bullies. Okay, class? Did you experience bullying? I mean, you experienced some that you were bullied, or you are the one who bullied your friends or classmates. I hope it's not the case. So here comes class. What is really cyberbullying? It comes from messages or images such as memes. So what does it mean? So it means that here, so you've done those to shame others, okay? Other also is that some are posting some bad comments or other as well as other what they call this one, other activities of cyberbullying is that you are posting some of your opinion in social media site that you are pointing to other people, such as about their political stand, about their religious beliefs, or others that you are shaming the person. Okay, so that is part of cyberbullying. Okay, what else? So it is a hostile behavior done by individuals to other people in the hope of gaining control over them. Okay, we should not do that, class. Okay, so because of that, cyberbullies can be classmates, neighbors, or office mates. Okay, it is not just limited to young ones. It is also susceptible to office mates. Okay, so victims of bullying often end up with personal traumas. So we should not do that to other people. Okay, so we need to be what do you call this one? Be considerate with other people. Okay, so here also, so because we have also the cybercrime prevention, but as well, if this will happen, we need to prevent cyberbullying from happening. Individuals, especially the youth, are encouraged to talk to their families and friends. We need to tell our friends. You should not be afraid to tell your friends. Okay? So now, these days, so there are a lot of things. We can ask help from anyone regarding this. Okay? So because of the technology we are in right now, because of the trend, we can really share it to other. For example, we need to share it to the authorities, and as well as we can share it to our teachers. Okay, so that we can help others as well not to be bullied. Okay, so do not be afraid rather. So let's just help one way another. Okay. Before, we have the medium that is used for communications. Okay, so what is medium? It is refers to the tools used in sending a message. We have here the TV, radio. So the news anchors were considered as professional that sends messages to the audience, right? So in a remote areas or places that has the places that have not internet connections, so the remote areas, so they can use television or radio. Okay, so the news that they can heard, or the news that they are going to, so they can be updated with the news from over a radio, right? So the anchor is considered as the one who sends messages to them so that they will be informed. In our latest technologies, we have the Twitter. So every day, if you're into Twitter, I hope, guys, that you are so familiar with this and you need to have this. So this will be part of your assignment later on. So I want you to update in a Twitter, because Twitter is part of, we are doing some technologies. This is part of the technologies that we can have some news, latest news all over the world. Okay, as well as in our Facebook, in our messengers, we can grasp some news because of the trend. So because it can easily be accessed. So that's why. So class, here I have some tips for you. You need to follow the verified account. For example, the ABS-CBN or the CNN. If the page were verified with a check, it means that it is legit. If it is not, so do not follow that account because it is not verified by the site. Okay, so that we cannot be misled to other news. Okay, so we call the netiquette, or the combination of etiquette and internet. So it means that how we should act online. Okay, class, that's what I told you before, that we need to have this. So there is a saying goes, so it is very familiar. Okay, think before you click. Okay, we should not offend. We should be professionally handling our social media sites, right? So we should not just post anything that we want and then we shame or we discredit other. Okay, that's not good. Okay, so we need to you should know how to act online. So this is considered as netiquette. So here, what are the things we need to do? So the netiquette for social media sites, the personal information technology rule means that, so here, so we need to, we need to know that we need to limit the person that we will accept in our